Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. Alright, so first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Then let's scroll all the way down to find Restore Defaults and tap on Restore. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences to their defaults. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.